Good evening. Fix the light. There we go. I'm back again, playing some Stardew. Yeah, good luck with that. I don't have any pumpkins left. And I'm not sure if I could do the cola thing or isn't this the last time I can harvest? Yeah, I think it is. Wait, 28 days. Yeah, I can harvest one more time, so I need the water. Already bought the heaters for the animals. Oh, I got some fruit trees. Thinking buying some more, so they're ready in when the spring hits. So Yoja or I will decide in the winter, probably when the winter started. If I make enough money in the winter, I'll probably do Yoja than for this one. Just to see how it is. This one. Checking on the animals. Goats are not old enough for milk. That baby, it's just baby. Boom, hello Annie.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Thank you for the follow, Gracie. Amanda. I almost butchered your name there. There's my third cow. Oh, I already did all three. Never mind. No, I did them all. What's going on? Playing some Stardew. Chilling a bit. Preparing for the winter. How are you? Let's see what the weather is tomorrow. Neutral. Cloudy. More than a year. Right. I think I still need to pick up my pickaxe, huh? My cool pickaxe, yeah, I still need to pick it up. Okay. Yeah, figured as much. I'll let you have it, Annie. Oh. Need stone too, actually. Mystery box? Oh, blacksmith, you know. Huh? Oh, fuck, I forgot gold. I like gold. Second time you said my turn and then nothing happens. You scared him off every time. You never get your turn like this, Annie. Couple of silver essence, okay. What the hell is that? Guys, one shot at least. That's some gold in bottom left, yeah. I did. I like gold. Ooh, that's a diamond. Two diamonds. Have to make at least level 95. Any gold here? I need to pick up the biggest backpack still. Right, let's head back. time sort this stuff a bit out. Geodes here. Oh, I need to sort this stuff out. It's a mess. Oh, that's gems. Go here. No gems. Let's empty the box. Actually, I need to save. Why not? Of course, the gems. I can upgrade the next weapon if I want to. This is definitely a gem. I think that's just, oh, aquamarine. Next box is gonna be food. It's no specific order, I'll just that includes fish from me. And these things. Third one is gonna be decorations. Alright, I need empty filling, okay. Wood and seeds can. Hello? This goes back. This goes back. Seeds go out of here. All of them. It's gonna be wood and stone. Let's make this the seed one, including the trees. Sunflower. Sap can also stay here on moss as well. Fiber too. Mahogany seeds, no. Need to blend those. It's hardwood and it's not something. Sunflower seeds definitely. Monster loot, essences and stuff, and with soil retainer can also go with that. Fences go into the decoration. Selling in town today, probably not being. I'm not giving water, I don't feel like it. I don't think I, for those 2 crops I get. I definitely pet them yesterday. What the hell is going on? They don't have food. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I am such an idiot. Well, they should have food. Yeah, they were out of being out of it for now. There's no grass. Oh, I'm so stupid. Well, you should be. Let me put some food in there then. Holy shit, what an idiot am I. I got my scythe on me because I can top those up. I feel so stupid. Like, why they're grumpy? I'm sure they missed all of them. Let's see how much the pigs cost. As well, I'm added collect the mushrooms because I keep forgetting that. Oh, I feel so stupid. So 4 pigs, how much would that set me back? $16,000? Jesus. Alright, that's not happening now. Let me. Then I'm going for the coop first. That's decided then. I'll try to get the animals together as the winter progresses. It's gonna be a very hard winter to get spring ready. $16K for a pig. $64K to get 4 of them. Yikes. I wonder do mixed seeds work in the winter or not. Let's look that up actually. I cannot plant it outdoors. It's gonna cost me the not having turned in those 2 crops. This foraging is semi-decent. I'm actually gonna give them water. I think I can get some more crops out of it. It's not. Now it's not the time to be lazy. Especially now I'm missing my animal income for the day. I need that 20K, and I think I'm close to it if I keep on it. So I don't forget to feed the animals by accident. I feel so stupid. Yeah, I think one more day of... maybe tomorrow's raining. Then you get Jack. Kind of a wasted day. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some more corn out of it. Out of this effort without planting new stuff. So day one of winter, I'm probably gonna go for those seeds and make enough so I can plant them with sprinklers to get some more income. And repeat that a few times. That's like 15-20k during the winter as well, so it's not looking that bad. It's gonna be, let's see what the weather is tomorrow actually. Oh, tomorrow is the... Very happy. Well, let's go into the mines then. This can be food. Let's put some stuff away. So come on, around 10k. I got quite a bit of seeds for the spring already, so that's we're happy. We're going for gold. Do a few levels on the see what the coop costs again. Deluxe coop. Pretty much everything is a first catch because I barely fish. Be such a difference to what I'm playing tomorrow. Graphics wise. Carpet again. It's a record, but it's lower quality. How does that work? Alrighty. I think I'm gonna play up until the first day of winter and then call it a day because I need to get up early. Tomorrow I'm playing a bit longer. I might start early, depending on my work day. So it's supposed to be very quiet at work tomorrow, so I can take a few hours early. I might stream when I get home and I want to dive into Elden Ring, which is gonna be a nightmare for me, but gotta start somewhere, right? This is struggling off. Largemouth bass. Need that for the fishing center. In the winter I'm gonna try to get most fish as well, probably. Alternate between let's see, can you turn it in from here? Apparently no. Fish tank. Ocean, no, not in the ocean. Specialties in river fish, large.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Neck Crater, thank you for the follow. Yeah, I don't believe you, bro. My headset is broken, yeah. What are you doing on Twitch? Leak fish, oh yeah. Cool. Oh, you need to have, you need to bring it in person. Okay. Wait, is that something special? Because if that's the case, let's fish there. That didn't happen. So, goats are every other day? Okay. Did I get all the animals? 2 ducks. Alright, let's find the ducks. else to sell to him. 42k, yeah, plus the bus fare. Never making that in one day. Taking the stone. Taking wood. Let me take my axe to be sure if it's enough wood or not. It's gonna be close. Actually, I have enough. The coop is upgraded then in 2 days. Nice. Out of space. Then we save for the animals themselves, which we will make in the winter. I'm sure of it. Yeah, I thought so. It's probably 3 years somewhere. Now I have enough. Looks cool. And I'm flat broke in almost everyone. Cool. Did I feed them actually? Need something built? You already are. Actually selling it here while I'm on my way. Sturgeon. Yeah, probably need a better fishing rod. Nautilus shell, purple mushroom. I have a purple. Put it in the chest hopefully. Well, I'll get new ones anyway. Doesn't matter. 513 gold. That's just like beginner level again. When I got those buildings upgraded, I'm not. That's the next thing on my agenda, I think. It's not that terrible, actually. It's forest on the beach because I keep forgetting that. Maybe we find. Oh yeah. What is this? A price ticket. Uh-huh. Beach sapling. Nice. So these quests are worth it. So what we have? Drop trash in the water. One day. Ooh. How much do I need? It's gonna be tricky. That's not doable in one day. The sapling is big. Okay, so the next one is 10 mixed seeds, but they don't do anything in the winter, so I don't know. So I only have to do manual feeding for 2 days, and the rest is just grabbing their stuff. Already got the heaters for the winter. They got food, perfect. Let's see how angry the spirits are. If they're angry, I'm gonna try to get the 20, which is gonna be hard. Not leave it there, that will not be on your side. Let's try it. If we don't make it, we don't make it. But fishing on your own pond is the highest chance. Worst case, it's fishing experience, so, which I need. So. 1. Yeah, I'm never making that. 2. Oh, you can check it while you're fishing out. I'm not sure cola counts. Wait, what counts? Piece of trash is 4. Twenty minutes per trash times 10 is too much time. Let's see if picking them up from my own stuff for my chest, if that works. I don't think so, but worth a shot, right? Nope, it does not. Six hours. Including turning them in. I don't see that happening. Cola doesn't count. That pace I'm making it around 8. Should have accepted that quest. I would have made it easily with the glasses and stuff from yesterday. 9. I might make it actually. 10. I think we are pretty much winter ready as far as I could get ready. Forgot to feed the animals a little bit. Oh, I hate the winter music so much. Like sushing pole and bait, you can touch it. Okay, really. It's fiber seeds. Well, we're ready for the winter, so I'm gonna read out. I had a lot of fun. And I'm back tomorrow. I'm not sure what time yet. I hope to finish early tomorrow, because it's, my boss said it was a very quiet day, and if you want to leave early, you can leave early, and that's exactly what my plan is. So have lunch at home and then fire up the stream. Dive into Elden Ring. It's gonna be a fail fiesta. I'm probably gonna do something like a death counter, because I will be dying a lot. You can count on that. Alright, let's see who is online. We can bother with my shenanigans. See. I'm gonna rank to Vinny. Vinny is playing a game I'm still on my list and I want to catch a bit. He's playing The Forest. And I'm pretty much every Saturday playing a horror game, and this Saturday is not going to be an exception.